Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Step up your pickleball game with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta, a paddle designed for players who demand precision without sacrificing power. Built for those who value control and accuracy, this mid-weight paddle offers a perfect balance of performance and craftsmanship. Its slightly longer frame, 16.45 inches, and extended handle, 5.35 inches, give you extra reach and ample space for two-handed backhands, enhancing your court coverage and shot versatility. Featuring a fluorite carbon fiber face paired with a thick 20mm honeycomb core, the LUXX Control Air Invikta delivers pinpoint shot accuracy while still allowing for impressive power and speed. Its aerodynamic design cuts through the air effortlessly, reducing drag and giving you faster reflexes on every swing. Whether you're aiming for precise placement at the net or powerful drives from the baseline, this paddle responds with consistent, reliable performance. Beyond performance, the LUXX Control Air Invikta impresses with sleek, modern aesthetics and a comfortable, cushioned grip that supports longer play sessions. While it may not have the extreme pop of some elite paddles, its overall versatility, control, and speed make it an exceptional choice for players of all skill levels. Currently offered at a reduced price, this paddle is an unbeatable value for anyone seeking a high-quality, all-around pickleball paddle. Take control of your game and experience the precision, power, and effortless speed of the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta today. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Experience the perfect combination of value and performance with the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, designed for players who are just catching the pickleball bug or looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. Built with a honeycomb core and a durable fiberglass face, this paddle delivers consistent ball control while offering a wide hitting surface to improve accuracy and confidence on every shot. The Radical Elite features a lightweight design and a comfortable foam handle, similar in length to a tennis racket, making it easy to grip, maneuver, and swing during long sessions. Its emphasis on control over raw power makes it an excellent choice for beginners learning proper technique, while also being suitable for casual and competitive play. The paddle's forgiving design helps you place shots more precisely and maintain consistency in rallies. Although it may not generate the extreme power of higher-end paddles, the Head Radical Elite excels where it matters most: accessibility, comfort, and control. It's an ideal entry-level paddle that grows with your game and provides a satisfying playing experience without breaking the bank. Retailing at around $70, this paddle performs like a $100 model, making it a standout value for pickleball enthusiasts. Its affordable price also makes it a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or fellow players of any skill level, while advanced players can keep it as a dependable backup. Step onto the court with confidence and enjoy every game with the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Selkirk Power Air Epic, a paddle built for players who demand elite performance and precision. Used by top competitors on the PPA Tour, this premium paddle combines advanced technology, sleek design, and unmatched playability, making it a must-have for serious players ready to invest in their game. The Power Air Epic features an elongated handle and standout paddle shape, creating a generous surface area for accurate shots while accommodating powerful two-handed backhands. Selkirk's innovative air opening design enhances swing speed, adding extra whip to serves and smashes. This makes it ideal for power players who want every shot to feel explosive yet controlled. Comfort and feel are just as impressive as performance. The cushioned handle with additional wrapping near the end provides a secure, comfortable grip, while the paddle's aerodynamic design reduces drag for faster, more responsive swings. Its smooth edges ensure consistent ball contact, even near the perimeter, giving you clean returns with confidence. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Power Air Epic feels like holding the Ferrari of paddles: fast, precise, and elegant. The sleek, modern design signals that you're playing with top-tier technology and uncompromised quality. Engineered for serious athletes and dedicated enthusiasts, the Selkirk Power Air Epic comes with a premium price that reflects its superior craftsmanship and advanced performance. If you're ready to dominate the court with precision, power, and style, this paddle is your ultimate weapon. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. Elevate your pickleball game with the Onix Graphite Z5, a paddle trusted by pros and perfect for players of all skill levels. Designed for precision, control, and consistency, the Z5 delivers the best qualities of a graphite paddle at an exceptional value, retailing just under $100. Graphite is a favorite material among professional players because it is lightweight, durable, and highly responsive, allowing you to finesse your shots with ease. The Graphite Z5 is perfectly balanced in hand, giving you confidence in every swing. Its Nomex honeycomb core minimizes dead spots while providing a solid sweet spot for clean, accurate returns. The paddle's shape cleverly maximizes surface area, making it easier to connect with the ball on every shot, whether you're serving, volleying, or rallying from the baseline. With its slightly loftier weight and powerful sweet spot, the Z5 excels on serves, allowing you to whip the ball over the net with precision and even add spin to challenge opponents. Its lightweight, well-crafted design ensures reduced fatigue during extended play while maintaining superior control over each shot. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable paddle that won't need an upgrade anytime soon, the Onix Graphite Z5 is a smart choice. It offers professional-grade performance without the premium price, combining durability, precision, and ease of play into one high-quality paddle. Step on the court with confidence and experience why the Z5 is a favorite among serious and beginner players alike. Number 5. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus paddle, designed in collaboration with Ben Johns, the PPA Tour legend with an astounding 123 career titles. This paddle is engineered for players seeking pro-level performance, offering unmatched precision, power, and control for every shot. The Perseus features a charged carbon surface that has been bond-treated for enhanced strength, providing a crisp, responsive feel and improved energy return on each ball contact. Combined with its popular reaction, every drive, drop, dink, or counter shot delivers explosive performance without sacrificing control. Its elongated paddle face increases surface area, giving you an enormous sweet spot and fewer missed hits, while its advanced spin capabilities let you dominate with finesse. One of the standout innovations is the paddle's patent-pending propulsion core, delivering power and responsiveness that sets it apart from other high-end paddles. This core ensures consistent, dynamic performance on every swing, giving players a competitive edge on the court. For modern players who value data and connectivity, the Perseus is NFC chip-enabled. Pair it with the JOOLA Connect app to access personalized training videos, engage with a global pickleball community, and track your progress through gamification features. Lightweight, durable, and technologically advanced, the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus pickleball paddle blends cutting-edge materials with pro-level engineering, making it the ultimate weapon for competitive players who want precision, power, and the tools to elevate their game.